Hi, Lyle McVeigh with MarineMax Dallas. Today I'm standing on a 2008 Ranger 2250 SS. This is a great fish and play boat. Back here, the stern of the boat, we've got a 200 horsepower Yamaha motor, big casting deck, casting chairs, lots of comfortable seating back here. In the cockpit, we've got multiple fish finders, got a Lowrance HDS 8. Up here in the front of the boat, amongst some more comfortable seating, big casting deck up front, another fish chair. We've got a Minn Kota 24-volt trolling motor. There's fish boxes, coolers, rod storage. This boat's loaded, ready for you to get out on the water, catch some of those big fish. So come by and see us here, MarineMax in Louisville. You can call us at 972-436-9979 or catch us at marinemax.com. Thank you.